qué chimba de vida. Estoy viviendo la life que quería.
お金稼ぐ俺らはスターお金
When you're next to me, you make
Wait a second, these girls are fake. Check out their Instagram profiles. Some of these AI influencers are Aitana Lopez, Emma, Miquela, and Mila Sofia. These girls don't actually exist. Some people have created influencers with AI and gained millions of followers on social media. These AI influencers are earning thousands of dollars through brand deals and sponsored posts. These AI influencers have also sponsored products from big companies like Apple, Calvin Klein, and BMW. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create real influencers using only AI. Let's start without further ado. Chapter 1: Creating Image Prompts. Download your favorite face image, or, just through the ChatGPT prompt, search Google to download your favorite face image. I will download Selena Gomez's image. After downloading the face image, now you need to create an image prompt using this face image. For this, copy the first ChatGPT prompt. After coming to the ChatGPT website, paste the prompt here. Here I have written, I have attached a face image here. I would like you to give me an image prompt for the same face image so that I can use that prompt elsewhere and create an image. To add a face image, click on Attach Files, then add the face image. Now click on Send Message. Or you can create an image prompt using only the ChatGPT prompt. For this, copy the second ChatGPT prompt. After coming to the ChatGPT website, paste the prompt here. Here I have written, I want to create an image of a young, intelligent, beautiful girl aged 25 using an AI image generator. Please give me an image prompt so I can use it elsewhere and create an image. Now click on Send Message. The chapter on creating image prompts is complete. Now we will generate images using this prompt. Chapter 2: Generate the image. To create images, you can use all three websites, Leonardo.ai, Ideogram.ai, and Adobe Firefly. I will not say that anyone is better because good images can be generated with all three. In this tutorial, I will generate images with Ideogram.ai. Here, keep the magic prompt on, and select 1:1 in the aspect ratio. Then copy the image prompt from here. After that, paste the prompt here and click on Generate. Then the image generation will start. Our image has been generated. To download, click on the three dots. Then click on Download and download it. You can try several times for good results. Our image generation work is finished. Now we need to download some images and videos from online. Chapter 3: Download images and videos. To download images, you can use pexels.com, freepik.com websites, and to download videos, pexels.com, Vecteezy.com websites. You can use the girl as a search keyword. After that, download the image from here. To download videos, select the video from here in search. We are done downloading images and videos. Now we need to swap the faces of the pictures and videos. Chapter 4: Image and Video Face Swap. For image face swap, you can use Remaker.ai, Acool.com, and for video face swap, you can use Basetroop.ipimp, Acool.com. In this tutorial, I will use Remaker.ai to swap image faces and Acool.com to swap video faces. To swap the image face, first, enter the Remaker.ai website. Then select Face Swap from AI Tools. Upload the image created by AI on the target face and the image downloaded from online to the original image. Now click on Swap. It will take some time, then the image will be face swapped. Now click on Download and download it. Now you can compare the model image and the face swapped image. The face swap of the image has been done well. Our image face swap work is finished. Now we have to do the video face swap. You can use Basetroop.ipimp or Acool.com to do video face swaps. To do a video face swap in Google Colab, first search Basetroop.ipimp in your computer browser. Then go to the collab.research.google.com website. Copy to Drive. After that, click on Connect. A tick mark is visible here. That means it is connected correctly. First, click on the Run button of Clone Root Repo and install dependencies. Continue anyway. An OK mark is visible here. Then click on the Run button of Download Model. An OK mark is visible here. Before clicking on the Run button of Deepfake, you have to upload the video and image here, and paste the file path here. For this, click on the file icon. To upload the file from the computer, click on the upload icon. After that, select the generated model image and downloaded video. Now first click on the three dots of the video. Copy path. Then paste the video path in place of nsf.mp4. Then click on the three dots of the image. Copy path. Then paste the image path in place of as.jpg. Here swap.mp4 new deepfake video will be created. Then click on the Run button. Note, It does not work well on all computers. However, it is the best free tool for creating deepfake videos. You can also use Acool.com to do a video face swap. After entering the website, click on Get Started. Here you can do many things including face swap and live face swap. To do a video face swap, click on Face Swap. Then you have to select the video and image file from the computer. Before doing face swap, you have to log in here. After uploading the specific video here, you have to upload the generated model image. While uploading the image, upload only the face part. After uploading the image, add it. Then click on Generate Premium Results. After going to the result library, you can see the progress. Our video has been face swapped. You can download it by clicking on the download icon. You can understand by comparing the model image, downloaded video, and face swapped video. The face swap of the video is done well. We are done with face swapping of our image and video. Now we need to create a human voiceover using 11labs.io. Chapter 5. Human Voiceover Creation. To create natural human voiceovers, you can go to 11labs.io. After entering the website, click on Get Started Free. Then log in here. After that, you have to paste the video script here. I have already prepared the script. Then search for specific voices here. You can use Amelia, Natasha, Joanne, and Myra for voiceovers. In this tutorial, I will select Amelia as the voiceover.
In a small town nestled between the rolling hills and a dense, ancient forest.
It's sort of beautiful, don't you think? That's why they say, love is the only true adventure in life.
Then click on Generate. After that, our voiceover will be generated.
Hey guys, welcome to my live. How's your day going? Let me know in the comments. I see some of you joining. Drop a fire emoji if you're excited. Guess what? I have something super exciting to share today. Stay till the end, and I promise it'll be worth it. Where's everyone tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the chat.
Click on the download icon to download it. The human voiceover creation is complete. Now we need to create a talking video with this voiceover. Chapter 6. For talking videos, we will use HeyGen.com to create talking videos. After entering the HeyGen.com website, click on Get Started for free. Then you have to log in here. After logging in, click on Create Video, Avatar Video. We will create an Instagram reel, so select Portrait. To create an avatar from a photo, select Photo Avatar. Upload. Here is a comparison between good photos and bad photos. You can follow this while uploading the photo. Click on Select Photos. I have already done an image face swap with the help of Remaker.ai. Now I will select it. Upload. Click on Continue. Here you have to give your name, age, gender, and ethnicity. After giving all the information here, click on Continue. It will take a while for the photo to be validated. After the avatar is ready, take it to the timeline. To add voiceover, click on Voiceover Track. To upload from the computer, click on the upload icon. Upload local audio. Open the voiceover file generated from 11labs.io. Delete the default voiceover. After selecting the avatar in voiceover, click Submit. After selecting the video file name, location, and resolution, click Submit. Submit anyway. Then it will start generating. This will take some time. Our video is ready. Now I can play it.
Hey guys, welcome to my live. How's your day going? Let me know in the comments. I see some of you joining. Drop a fire emoji if you're excited. Guess what? I have something super exciting to share today. Stay till the end, and I promise it'll be worth it. Where's everyone tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the chat.
Click Download to download it. We are done creating our talking video. Now we need to edit the reel with the help of a video editor and upload it to Instagram. Chapter 7. Video Editing. For computer, enter the CapCut.com website. For mobile, download the CapCut app. After coming to CapCut Web, click on Create New. Click on Upload and upload the file from your computer. Then take the video to the timeline. Click on Export to download and download it. Chapter 8. Upload images and videos. Then log in to your Instagram profile. Here you can start uploading posts and reels with a profile picture. Chapter 9. Monetization. Instagram accounts can be monetized in many ways, including Instagram ads, brand deals, and sponsored posts. Instagram ads, in-stream ads, and bonuses. If you have a creator or business account, you can earn money through Instagram's Reels Play bonus program, if eligible. Brand deals, sponsorships, and collaborations. Brands pay influencers to promote their products or services through posts, stories, reels, or even live sessions. Sponsored posts. This is when brands pay you to create content featuring their products, often with a hashtag like hashtag sponsored or hashtag ad. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using affiliate links and earn commissions.